What's the meaning of antiquated? Antiquated. 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 Antiquated.
Antiquated means old-fashioned or out of date. It refers to things that are no longer useful or relevant in modern times. This term can be used to describe anything from technology and fashion to societal norms and values. When something is antiquated, it implies that it has been replaced by newer, more advanced alternatives. For example, a computer model that was cutting-edge a decade ago may now be considered antiquated due to advancements in technology. Antiquated ideas or practices may also be considered outdated or even harmful in today's society.